Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified in future if I upload any video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you my Club Factory haul. You must have seen lots of Club Factory haul videos these days on YouTube, so I also thought to buy something from there and give and share my personal experience and opinion with you guys, so you will get a better view whether you should buy something from there or not. So in this video I will tell you everything about Club Factory, from their packaging to the quality of the products. So please stay tuned with me, and also please do not worry about anything. I will put everything in the description box, so in case if you are interested in buying something, so you can go there and check them out. And I also put the pictures of every product on the screen, so you will get a better view. So now, without wasting any time, just quickly jump into the video. Starting from its packaging, so everything which I got from Club Factory came into this type of plastic bag, and after that they have a layer of a bubble wrap paper in which everything were kept very safely. So overall I would say that the packaging part of the Club Factory is quite impressive. Now coming to the products which I got from the Club Factory, so the first thing which I got from there are these two phone cases. They both are of a very good quality products. First one is like this, and the second one is like this. They both are very good quality products. So the next thing which I got from there is this. It is an eyelash curler, and it is also a very good quality product. So I am happy with this product. And the next one is this. It is an empty spray bottle, so you can use it for many purposes, but I ordered it for just fill my rose water into it and then use it. And the next one is this. It is called an eyebrow comb. So it has two sides. One side has this brush and other side has this comb kind of thing. So I ordered it to just give it a try because it is new for me. The next thing is this. It is a foundation brush. So it has a very soft bristles, so when you apply your foundation with it, so it does not feel very harsh on my skin. So it is very good product. The next thing which I got is this. It is a very cute bracelet. So when you wear it, it looks like this. The next thing is this. It is used in just blending your makeup, your foundation, your concealer. So I just ordered it for that purpose. It is also very soft, as you can see it. It is also a very good quality product. Next thing is this. It is a very simple brush just to apply any mask. The next thing is this. It is a headband. So I use it whenever I apply anything on my face. So it just helps me to just keep my hairs at one place. So I use it for that purpose. The next and the last thing which I got from Club Factory is this. It is a DIY mask set. So it has one bowl, 3 spoons which you can use to mix everything which you want, one brush to apply the paste or whatever you make on your skin, and one spatula to just mix everything well. So this is a full set. So these are the purchases which I made from Club Factory, and if you ask my overall experience, so I would definitely say that it's been a very good experience for me. And in case if you are also interested in buying something from these items, so you can buy them because they all are of very good quality products. I have already placed one more order from Club Factory just to check their jewelry quality, so that will be a jewelry haul video from Club Factory. Though I have already ordered a bracelet from there and that seems to be a very good quality product so far, but I also want to check more items from their jewelry collection, so I ordered few of them. So that will be a very interesting video, so please stay tuned with me, and for that please subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get an update whenever I will upload any video. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Please do that. Thank you for watching this video, guys.